Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, and now I will show you how to install a free VPN on your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. First, I want to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content because free VPN does not protect your private data. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to open Google Store, then search here Turbo VPN. Choose it on the list and tap Install. Wait a while and open. Fine, just Start Now, tap across in right corner. And here we see a connect button and globe on the right corner. Choose globe. Here you can choose country. Here we have paid countries and free countries to connect. For example, in England we can connect to London for free, in Germany to Frankfurt, United States for Los Angeles, Denver, Las Vegas, and Chile's page. Okay. We have 4 countries for free. Okay, now I want to check where I am on IP location. Now I am in United Kingdom. Try again. I want to try again because I'm in Poland. Okay, I'm in Poland now. And now I want to connect to Germany, to Frankfurt. Always slow and wait a while and we are connected. Okay. Here's your ads and choose IP to location, open IP to location, and wait a while. Fine, we are in Germany. Okay, thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and goodbye. See you soon.